How to add admin commands in your Roblox game. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add admin commands in your Roblox game. Firstly, open Roblox Studio and open your game. Now at the very top panel, go to the view option. Here on the left side you will see different kind of icons. If you hover to this icon, it will say toolbox. Click on it and make sure that it is selected. When you select that, then at the bottom of the left panel, a toolbox option will open. On this toolbox section, go to the search bar. On the search bar, type in Kohl's admin. After that, these kind of results will show up. Take your cursor over these options. When you do that, then at the bottom, you should see the percentage and the rating. As you can see, this has 92% of rating, which means that this is the original one. Now click on the command and drag it to your game. When you do that, then it will be added to your game. Simply click on OK. So just like that, you have added commands to your game. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.